traders, Tamar here, FXGlobe ambassador, with your morning bell for Wednesday, the 22nd of March. And it is Fed Day today, but before we get to those big news, let's have a look at the rest of the economic calendar for today. So we're starting with UK CPI, and the yearly reading is expected to drop down by 0.2% to 9.9%. We also have several members of the ECB speaking today, as well as the ECB President Christine Lagarde. Then from Canada, we have new housing price index, and from the US, crude oil inventories. And the level that I'm keeping an eye on there is in and around the 72.5 mark. And the big news, of course, for today is the Fed interest rate decision. But the market is still expecting a rise of 0.25%, which will bring the Fed rates to 5%. Now, there are fears in the market that the fast-paced cycle of this interest rate hike that we've seen in the past year might have revealed some breakage points in the banking sector, and that the event of the last 2 weeks are just the beginning of something bigger and more sinister. And so the Fed today will be seen as walking a tight rope between what may be perceived as the fragility of the banking sector and, on the other side, a still very high inflation. So markets that I'll be watching closely today are US index market, in particular the financial sector ETFs. So we saw yesterday a big comeback for the regional banking index with a rise of over 5%. We saw First Republic Bank, which was following the footsteps, or seems to be following the footsteps of Silicon Valley Bank and New York Signature Bank. Now that had a rally by 30%. Also high on my watch list are US dollar crosses. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.